Hi, I'm Teddy Swanson. I've lived here in Rossmore about 12 years now. I had 12 windows and doors done, and the inside of my house is so quiet now. And the texture of the windows is beautiful. The screens are so clear, as you can see inside the house. It's very clear. They are so easy to open and close. Custom exteriors during the entire window installation process were on time, they were clean, they were quiet. They did all the windows except for one in 3 days, which in and out, clean, painted. So I can't say enough good things about custom exteriors.